Well, back here at home now, time for another check of your weather, and it is a busy one. You saw the radar earlier, Brad. It is lit up in so many different colors. You're saying rain first and then some snow in some of our areas.
Yeah, it's going to be a wild 24 hours, Hunter. We've got the cold air coming in, but the rain is going to move in first, and some of it's going to be heavy, maybe even severe for parts of southeastern North and South Carolina. Let me show you the hour-by-hour forecast. Kind of lays out the groundwork overnight, as temperatures will be in the mid-60s around midnight, but falling throughout the overnight hours, probably back down into the 40s by tomorrow morning. Let me show you the setup here. We've already got some pockets of heavy rain. The area I'm watching closely is down here in southern Georgia right now. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but there's some pretty strong storms down there, and these are going to move up into central South Carolina, and some of these might get into our southeastern counties late tonight or early tomorrow morning. But here's the main part of the system. It's this snow. It's as an upper level low. This is turning from rain to snow pretty quickly back in parts of northern Alabama, Mississippi into Tennessee. Let me show you how this low kind of cranks up, and as it moves through overnight, you see how quickly it races off to the east. So that's going to deter heavy snowfall as well as the wet ground and the warm ground. But let me show you this a little bit closer up. We'll show the temperatures as well. So notice the rain really starting to pick up. The winds will be howling maybe 30 to 40 miles per hour. Now, about 3 o'clock in the morning, if we do see some severe storms, the areas we'll watch is Rockingham, Sherrall, down in here where temperatures could be just warm enough to produce some severe storms. But I think that risk is going to mainly stay to our southeast. By sunrise, we start to see a pretty quick changeover to snow in the mountains, especially in higher elevations. And even in parts of the Piedmont, it's not out of the realm of possibility. There's a few wet snowflakes that mix in. I think the real concern will be Tuesday morning as we drop below freezing. Anything wet from rain, snow, melting snow, whatever, could refreeze, and black ice could be a big issue coming up on Tuesday morning. So overnight tonight and really early Monday, here's what I expect for snowfall total. 6 to 9 inches above 3,500 feet, much lower amounts in the valleys. And again, a lot of melting. Can't emphasize enough how much this is going to melt because of the warm ground, and wet flakes mixed in briefly across the Piedmont. Here's a look at the elevations. Really, once you get above 3,500 feet, that's where the main snow is. And the valleys could overcome this, could be a little bit higher amounts. If we get some thunder snow, there's actually a chance that some of this could be pretty heavy at times. So as we look at the forecast tomorrow, you notice as we go through the day, we're going to see those temperatures falling pretty quickly. So here's your impacts. 4 to 6 inches above 3,500 feet. The refreeze is the real concern on roads. Even in Charlotte, not expecting any snow, but a refreeze of the rain could be an issue by Tuesday morning, and a ton of rain with this system. This is the good news because we need the rain, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain between now and Monday night. So look at the temperature fall. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up to probably around 50, but it falls below freezing by the time we get into the evening hours. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Cold couple of mornings here, so be on guard for some black ice, and we finally start to see weather that's more typical for winter. January temperatures in the low 50s in the afternoon, morning lows in the 20s and 30s, and it looks like winter is here to stay. But we could see a little bit of everything tomorrow, Hunter. We're talking severe storms to the east and big mountain snow to our west.